fries.
Hello and welcome. In today's video is another Sketch My City, and I'm sketching this smoothie shop, and I was drawn to it because it's this gorgeous orange building and I loved how it looked against the blue sky, and I thought it looked very cool and tropical with the palm tree outside it and very Florida. I initially had planned a completely different day to sketch this, but I happened to have my sketch things in the car with me as we drove by it, and I thought, why not? Let me just sketch this now. And I realized as I started sketching that I only had about 50 minutes maybe. So this was very rushed. Like, it wasn't at a leisurely pace like I usually like to sketch at. You probably see it gets quite frantic at some points, and I actually think that adds to the energy of the scene, which I like. So my initial plan for this building was to put the building on the right, so on the right side of the page, and then I wanted to put their sign, their logo sign, on the left, and also one of their smoothies. I had initially wanted to get one of their smoothies just to try them out, and I thought it'd be cool to include it in the sketchbook spread. So that didn't happen, but I still really want to try one of those smoothies. I haven't yet. So obviously, like I said, because I didn't have time, I kept the sketch on to the right, and then later at home, I thought it'd be cool to try and film the rest of the sketch pieces that I'd initially wanted to do outside. So I've included those towards the end of the video too. It just so happened that across the road from this place, there was a restaurant with outside seating, and I was really anxious that once we'd parked, I wouldn't be able to get the seat right where I needed it. But luck would have it, luck was on my side, and the outside area was empty that we wanted to sit in. So we were able to just sit and sketch and have some drinks. It was such a gorgeous day and it was really hot. So that in the, I think it was probably like 2 minutes that it took me to walk to the car, I did get a little bit of sunburn on my arm. So I'm glad I was fully in shade for the duration of that sketch, because I would have been burnt to a crisp. I'm also so happy that I found that Posca do have fine liners, and I think the issue had always been they will show it on Amazon, and I think another time at Michael's I'd gone to try and find one. They said they had one, and then when I got it home or ordered it, it was the regular nib. And so this time I found a set of three, and I had my fingers crossed that it actually would be a fine liner, and it is, so I'll link that in the description box. I've only used them this one time, and so far it's been great. A lot better than the Jelly Roll pens. In my frantic dash to hurry up, I ended up writing smoothies instead of smoothies, and I do correct that later at home, and I didn't even notice it until I'd got home that I'd written smoothies. Anyway, if you do like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.